Hi everyone, in front of me I've got DOOGEE Fire 7 and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list, for example, with the usage of this phone number. Find the contact which you'd like to customize and tap on it. And now simply tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner, so the pencil icon. Now let's tap on add picture. And here we've got different sections from which we can choose the photo from. So we've got device photos and it is divided into our own gallery. So we can use our own photo, or we can immediately open the camera app and take a photo of someone who's right in front of us. Google Photos, where we've got our backed up photos. Monogram, so we can use 1 or 2 letters. It's up to you. You can tap on it and simply enter another text. And you can change the background color and the font, so you can make it bolder or cursive, I believe. No, not really. So you can simply choose the font style, or instead of the text, you can use emoji. So just tap on this option. We can tap on the star in my case, and now we can choose from available emojis anything you like. For example, this one. You can also change the background color, and what is interesting, you can either use the emoji as it is, or you can use this switcher to make it look more icon-like. As you can see, it doesn't have colors, etc. So it's up to you. And coming back to the sections here, we've got also illustrations, which are free of charge and they are available online. So if you do not have the photo of the person whose contact you are customizing, you can choose something from those options. There are plenty of beautiful things to choose from, beautiful, funny, or whatever you wish to find here. I promise that you probably will. So just find the option. I will pick this one, bird bath. After choosing specific illustration, you can also choose something from the preset. So as you can see, the colors. Moreover, you can crop the picture, and it doesn't matter whether you will use the illustration or your own photo. You will be able to zoom in or out it. You can change also the position of it, and thanks to it, you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact, because this operation is responsible for that. I mean, the circle is responsible for what you will see. So after positioning it just like you want to, then tap on choose and tap on save in the right upper corner. And this is how our contact will look like. Of course, you will be able to see this photo on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.